Hey guys!
Welcome to MK Crafts. I'm Madison.
And I'm Kayla.
And today we're doing the In or Out Slime Challenge. How you do this is we're going to have different slimes coming on our screen and we're going to say different things like you're out if you don't like cake. And if you don't like cake and you're out, and you're going to wait until it has you're back in if it applies to you, then you're back in. And it's going to keep going and keep going. And at the end, you're gonna be either gonna be in or out, so you're gonna comment that down below. We would love for you guys to comment that down below.
If you're in or out.
Yes. So before we get started, I wanted to do a shout out for someone who follows me on PopJam and follows us here. So shout out to The Strange Artist on PopJam. That's got dark.
Wait.
I probably won't show. But The Strange Artist, thank you so much for following us here on YouTube and on PopJam. So shout out to you. We haven't done shout outs in a long time, but if you want to shout out, what you do is you follow us here on YouTube and you
follow us on Instagram and send us a screenshot that you're following us here on YouTube and we'll give you a shout out in our video.
or Facebook or PopJam.
Yeah, either or. Anything,
Yes.
and just send us a screenshot so we know.
And those are not required, but you do need to follow us here. And it's do something more special to make us kind of realize you, like know that you're like trying to get a shout out. And we'll definitely give you one. So we haven't done one in a long time.
We can also try to do something different. If you put hashtag notification squad down below, we can give you a shout out from there too.
Yes. So if you want a shout out, just let us know. We'll be really happy to give you that.
Yeah.
So, ready to get started?
Okay.
Really excited. Let's go. 2, 1. Okay guys, we hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share, and hit the notification bell for you to know about when our next video comes out. Also comment down below if you're in or out, and if you want to see more videos like this, more like ASMR videos.
And you better be in.
Yes. You all know it's our last one.
Okay, we love you guys. Bye.
Bye.
Trying to make sure it's straight. That's not really straight, is it? Also probably needs to go back for earthquake.
Earthquake. Sorry guys, it's we're in the middle of earthquake.
Okay.